to your new job as a customer service attendant. Working in a laundry is a pleasant experience. This presentation will explain your basic job responsibilities and add to the one-on-one training that you receive from your supervisor. Keep in mind that the store you are working in may have slightly different equipment, policies, and procedures than those in this video. Always put your supervisor's instructions first and ask questions whenever you are unsure of what to do. What is a self-service laundry? Well, you've probably used one before, and whether you've called it a self-service laundry, a coin-op, or a laundromat, it all means the same thing: getting dirty clothes clean. Your laundry is equipped with heavy-duty washers and dryers for people who do not have their own machines, or for people who like the speed and convenience that a laundry offers. It is our job to help customers take care of their wash safely, quickly, and comfortably. The following personal qualifications are necessary for you to do your job well: a positive, upbeat attitude, honest work ethic, good personal hygiene, friendliness, and willingness to help customers.